Remember, say na God be your only source, and when you give according to His will, He go open up ways where you go take receive good and ogbonge gift from Am. Welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Wednesday will be the first day of March of 2023. Happy new month. Our topic for today now, the source of good and perfect gifts. Our Bible reading, they come from the book of Luke chapter 6 verse 38. And our memory verse, it come from James chapter 1 verse 17, where tell us talk say every good and ogbonge gift it come from above, and it come down from the Papa of light, where no they change or when they turn. Now we enter the main message. Everything what you see for this earth, it come from God. Even the one when it be like say na man na make am. This one means say God dey in control of everything wey dey upon this earth. No wonder Psalm 24 verse 1 tell us say the earth na God get am and the fullness thereof, the whole world and all the people wey dey for inside the world. Anything when anybody gets, na God na give that person. That's your uncle where you dey always look to make he help you for your school fees wey you want pay. Na only vessel for inside God hand. Not be him be your true provider. Na God be your provider. If all your hope dey for inside that your uncle, wetin go come happen if he lose his source of income tomorrow? Wetin you go do? You no go fit depend on man at all. Na only God na go fit provide for you for any circumstance or any situation where you find yourself. No wonder Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 5 tell us say, and thus saith the Lord, cursed be the man wey he trust for inside man, or wey make e flesh e harm, and any heart wey depart from God. Every good and perfect gift, it dey come from God. Now so James chapter 1 verse 17 tell us, you need to put your trust in God for provision of all your needs, and you go begin to see am dey meet them one after the other. Before you seek help from any human being at all, ask God first. Talk to am. Make it be the one when he go direct you, go meet anybody where he don't say that this person go help you. David for Bible understand this one. Now he make am talk for inside Psalm 121 from verse 1 to 2 say, I go raise my eyes to the east, from there now my help they come. My help they come from God, wey make the heavens and the earth. So what do you go fit do now to continue to enjoy this provision wey God dey give? The first thing wey you go do na to dey generous, because if you dey stingy, remember say na the same measure wey you take give na you go take receive. We see this one for inside Luke chapter 6 verse 38. That one tell us say when you give, men in turn must give back to you. Na God word be that. In other words, not expect to receive if you no wan give. This principle dey very, very simple and easy to understand. Another way to continue to enjoy the provisions of God, now to give to the poor according to Psalm 41 verse 1, and also to give to those who are of the same household of God with you. Galatians chapter 6 verse 10 I tell us this one. Another way to enjoy this provision, now to give to God. Proverbs chapter 3 from verse 9 to 10 I tell us this one. Remember, say God now be your only source, and if you give according to His will, He go open up avenues for you where you go to receive all the good and ogbonge gifts when He don't prepare for you. Our key point for today tell us say, when you get any need at all, make you look up to God and not to man for provision. Now Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. Now you write this Open Heavens daily devotional. God bless you and happy new month.